is a database? A shared collection of logically related data and the description of this data, designed to meet the information needs of an organization. Let us examine this definition in detail to understand this concept fully. The database is a single large repository of data, which is defined once and used simultaneously by many departments and users. Instead of disconnected files with redundant data, all data is integrated with a minimum amount of duplication. The database is no longer owned by one department, but is now a shared corporate resource. The database holds not only the organization's operational data, but in addition, it holds a description of this data. For this reason, the database is also defined as a self-describing collection of integrated records. The description of this data is known as the system catalog or the dictionary or metadata. The data about data. It is the self-describing natures of a database that provides program data independence. The final term in the definition of the database that we should explain is logically related. When we analyze the information needs of an organization, we attempt to identify entities, attributes, and relationships. The database represents the, the entities and the attributes and the logical relationship between the entities. In other words, the database holds data that is logically related. All above limitations of the file-based approach can be attributed to two factors. Arose because the definition of the data is embedded in application programs rather than being stored separately and independently. There is no control over the access and manipulations of data beyond that imposed by the application's programs. To become more effective, a new approach was required. What emerged were the database and the database management system.